In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a repeater in Wix, whether you're decluttering your website, reorganizing your design, or simply no longer need a particular element. Removing a repeater is a straightforward process. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to locate, delete, and ensure your site looks just the way you want it. So stay tuned as we walk through these steps together one at a time. First things first, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your credentials to access your dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of all your projects. Take a moment to identify the site you want to work on. This is important because every site may contain unique designs or layouts, and you want to ensure you're making changes to the correct one. Next, click on the specific site you want to edit. This will open the Wix editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now, you'll want to double-check that you're in editor mode. This mode allows you to access all the tools and features you need to make changes to your site. If you're not sure, look for the toolbar at the top and the side panels. These should be visible if you're in the right mode. Now that you're ready to go, it's time to locate the repeater you want to remove. A repeater is a design element in Wix that displays items in a structured repeating layout. These are often used for things like lists, galleries, or team profiles. Scroll through the elements on your page and keep an eye out for the one you want to delete. If your site has multiple pages, make sure you're on the correct page where the repeater is located. Once you've found the repeater, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice that the element becomes highlighted or outlined as you hover over it. This visual cue is there to confirm that you've selected the correct element. Take your time here to ensure you're working with the right repeater. When you're confident you've selected the repeater, right-click on it. This will open a contextual menu with several options. The exact appearance of the menu may vary slightly depending on your setup, but it's easy to spot the option you need. From this menu, select the Delete option. This is typically represented by the word delete or a trash can icon. Clicking this will prompt Wix to remove the repeater from your page. In some cases, you may see a confirmation message asking if you're sure about deleting the element. If this happens, go ahead and confirm your action. With the repeater now removed, it's time to save your changes. This step is crucial because if you leave the editor without saving, all the work you've just done will be lost. Look for the Save button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor, and click it. Once you've done this, your changes are permanent. Finally, preview your site to make sure everything looks as expected. The preview option is often located next to the Save button, and it allows you to see your site as your visitors would. Take a moment to scroll through the page and check that the layout is clean and the deletion hasn't caused any unintended gaps or design issues. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a repeater from your Wix site. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.